The Ecarke Cordless Paint Sprayer is a versatile tool that is ideal for both do-it-yourself enthusiasts and professionals, offering a wide range of applications with its compatibility with oil-based paints, stains, varnishes, and enamels. Featuring an innovative side-fill design, this sprayer allows for quick and mess-free refills without the need to disassemble the tank, making it incredibly convenient to use. The onboard nozzle storage provides easy access to your two most frequently used nozzles, with a selection of 4 different sizes to cater to various project needs. Powered by a high-performance motor, the sprayer delivers consistent spray power at 43,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring a smooth and even finish. With 3 spray patterns and a precision flow control dial, users can easily adjust the spray to suit horizontal, vertical, or circular patterns, providing perfect coverage for any surface. The extra-large 1,200 milliliters tank significantly reduces the need for frequent refills, and the deep-reach tube ensures minimal paint wastage by extracting nearly all the paint from the tank.